So, good morning everybody. I'm gonna talk about the environment and this reflection about the dance. Taking care of the environment means protection of the lives of all creatures, especially birds. They are not only a symbol of freedom, but also a vital part of nature. When we preserve the trees, rivers, and clean air, we are giving birds a safe home. Protection them, it protects our profession and our future project. Thank you.